In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where you want to change the background color. This can be especially useful if you want your design to feel more polished, match a brand style, or simply stand out more clearly on screen. Once your project is open, you're ready to adjust the page background. Next, click on an empty area outside of your canvas. This part is important because you want to make sure you have not selected any text, image, shape, or other element from your project. If something on the canvas is selected, Adobe Express will show editing options for that object instead of the page itself. So, take a moment here and confirm that nothing in your design is highlighted. After that, move over to the left panel and look for the page editing options. In that section, find the background setting and select the color swatch. As soon as you click it, a color picker will open. This is where you can choose the background color you want to use for your project. If one of the preset colors works for your design, simply click it to apply the color right away. If you want more control, choose the Custom tab. That option lets you select a different color beyond the default presets, which is helpful when you're trying to match a specific visual style or create a more unique look. Take your time here and pick a shade that supports the rest of your design. Lighter backgrounds often work well for clean, minimal layouts, while darker backgrounds can create stronger contrast and make text or graphics stand out. Once you select your color, the background updates, and that's all you need to do. Your page now has a new background in Adobe Express. As a quick tip, if the new background makes some of your text or design elements harder to see, you may want to adjust those elements afterwards so everything stays readable and balanced. Small color changes can have a big effect on the overall look of your project. And that's it. You've successfully added a background in Adobe Express using the page background color settings.